Let's prepare stuffed garlic bread today. I have added 3 teaspoons of yeast, but in warm season you may reduce the quantity of yeast. Let's move to chicken stuffing. Keep the flame at medium. Cook onions until translucent. Then goes in chicken mince. Saute till it changes the color. Add ginger garlic paste, powdered spices and sauces. Next goes in mushroom. Cook for 5 minutes. Turn the flame to high, then add the veggies. Saute for 2 minutes. Chicken stuffing is done. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, our yeast is activated. So time to prepare a soft and smooth dough. Combine all-purpose flour, activated yeast mixture, salt, garlic paste. Add water bit by bit to knead the dough. Add olive oil in small quantity at a time. This will ease in smoothing the dough. Proof the dough for 2.5 hours to 3 hours or until it becomes double in size.